everyone, Pamela here. Welcome back to our channel. Before we begin, we have a question from Michael, and he's asking, what is the importance of phone validation tool in my business? So I believe that the importance of using a phone validation tool is that it saves time and money, which are both precious resources for any business. Phone validator tool is not just about validating if a phone number is legitimate or not. Well, aside from getting the line types and carriers of phone numbers, a phone validation tool will also let you know if the phone number has been ported or not. It will also give you the SMS email if there's any SMS email attached to the phone number, and it will also tell you if the phone number is listed on the DNC list, because there is regulatory compliance surrounding telemarketing, and verifying phone numbers allows you to check if they are on the federal and state DNC list or if they've ever been associated with TCPA litigation. And with the help of a phone validation tool, it will also tell you if the phone number is reachable or not. It will give you the OCN, the location of the phone number, the time zone, and the state. So without further ado, let's get started. Also, in today's video, I'm going to show you how we can validate phone numbers in bulk by utilizing Searchbug's bulk phone validator tool featuring standard line type service level. So I need you to head over to searchbug.com, and if you don't have an account yet, that's not a problem. You can just go ahead and click sign up on the upper right hand corner. This is free and it's easy as 1, 2, 3. You can link your Google account, your Facebook, or your LinkedIn account. But if you're like me, you can just go ahead and enter your email and the password. If you already have an account, then log in. So here we go. Once you're on the home page, just go ahead and click Business Services tab and then select Bulk Phone Validator. So from here, you can now upload your file. You can upload either a text file, CSV, or Excel file. Then upload your file. I have here a file already, so just go ahead and upload it. Click Continue, and then you have to identify the column. This is the second step. If your list has a header row, you can go ahead and tick the box over here. Click Continue to the next step, and then it will let you select the service that you want. This time we'll be going for the standard, and then this page will show you how many records we have on file. It will also show the cost for this batch, how long it will take, and just click Process My Data, and then you're good to go. After successfully uploading your file, it will show you that your file is currently running and will be receiving an email notification once the file is already completed. Then we can just go ahead and click Batch Dashboard if we wanted to check how's it going. So there you go. As you can see, the file is now ready for download. In just a few seconds, you can now go ahead and download the appended information. So that's it again, everyone, for today. I hope I was able to help you with your marketing campaigns. And if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, feel free to comment down below. So thank you again, everyone, for your time, and I'm hoping to see you again soon. Bye for now.